Hi guys, I'm Vanessa. I would like to introduce to you this Boise Multi-Collagen Peptides. Actually, I use this almost a month and this is so good. They have type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, and type 5. This is unflavored biotin and vitamin C hydrochloric acid. Guys, this is the looks inside and they have a small cup to put this. To scoop in this, you will put this to scoop daily for your it's guys, and you will put like beverage that you like. I put lemonade in my I fix this lemonade. I put a lemonade here. That is my beverage that I like, and I shake it. This is so good, guys. And voila, you can drink it. So good the taste. You will love it. And what are you waiting for, guys? This is so good. This is GMO free. This is stay healthy and love nature, quality assured, guys. This is so good. Boise Multi-Collagen Peptides, guys. What are you waiting for? Buy now.